Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are starting our new biology lecture for the grade 10th, based on the latest book designed by the National Book Foundation. In this introductory class, I will giving you an overview of the chapters and highlighting the main title page of the book. This is the main title page of your book, and this will ensure you that when you purchase the book, you get the exact one you are supposed to have. Now, let's take a look at the book's content and get familiar with its structure. So, these are all the chapters which are included in your book. It contains 11 chapters. The first one is about the digestive system, the second one, the circulatory system, the third one, the respiratory system, the fourth one, that is the urinary system, the fifth one, nervous system. Then we have a reproduction, inheritance, diseases, immunity, biotechnology, and the biostatistics and the data analysis. So total you have 11 chapters, which you have to cover in your grade 10th. So and the next slide is all about the your chapter number 1, that is about the digestive system. So inshallah, from tomorrow onward, you will receive the lectures of the biology grade 10th from this channel, that is in-depth knowledge. So stay tuned with this channel. And secondly, uh, contact with me at my WhatsApp number, which is mentioned in the description. So for your notes, right, for your lecture notes. So stay tuned with this lecture, with this channel, and inshallah we will meet in tomorrow's lecture. That will be most probably our lecture number 1 from chapter number 1. So Allah Hafiz.